Kailan mo na-experience ko nun?
A few days ago,
Anong last activity before mo graduation?
final cut.
Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I feel like the lighting's really bad. But also, that's fine. Because it's so freaking hot in my room, I swear. So anyway, I've been waiting for this package for a while now. So I'm gonna unbox it. While making kwento. So, earlier, I think I have clips of me going to Power Mac to bring my laptop in because she's broken. So basically, while I was editing the previous video that I will link down below, ha! In case you haven't seen that yet. While I was editing that one, biglang tumunog yung laptop ko. As in like, it made these weird noises na parang bird. So I took a clip of it for my IG story. So ayun, I'll insert it here. Ayun, diba? Super weird. It's like a bird or something. I took it to Power Mac and they're diagnosing it apparently. They just sent me an email update earlier. So ayun, life's so hard without a laptop, but like, I'm just thankful that this happened like after school na parang I have nothing left to do. Cause like, I finished all my ACADS na and it's clearance now for us. So, okay lang, I guess. Like, it's not a big academic loss na wala akong laptop. So, I guess that's good. So, ayun. That's what's going on. Kaya, ang hirap ng life. But anyway, happy na tayo ulit kasi dumating na yung package ko. So, I've been wanting this for a while now. So, in-order ko na siya. She's here! Yeah! I think alam niyo naman from my previous vlogs na I've been making my own iced coffee. Because I used to not. Because like, bawal ako mag-coffee before. But then, you know, I went to Pisay, so I had to become a coffee drinker. So, ayun. Here she is! Nasa taas kasi ako, so mamaya ko na siya set up. But yeah, I'm so happy! Okay, that's the first one down. Gawin natin siya dito. Aside from that, ito ba yung next? Sige, ito na lang. So, syempre, bumili akong capsule machine. Kailangan ng capsules. Ito, naghanap lang ako sa Lazada ng capsules. Tapos gusto ko sana bilhin yung sa Nespresso mismo. But then, it's so expensive. So, naghanap ako ng cheaper alternative. And then I found this one. This was the cheapest I could find. Ito mukhang legit. It's called Duchess. So, ayun. I got these. Ito, try ko lang muna sila. And then, let's see if I like them. So, yay! Okay. Lahat to coffee stuff, by the way. Because that's what I've been into recently. Hirap naman ito buksan. What no first? Okay. This is the Monin Toasted Marshmallow Syrup. So recently, I've also been trying different types of syrups. So ayun nga, hindi kasi ako sanay gumawa ng coffee at home. So I've really just been experimenting for the past couple months. And ayun, I've been trying different syrups. So I've tried the ones from Starbucks. I mean, I tried the ano lang. I tried the caramel pa lang. But like, it's not bad. But then, di mo siya malalasahan if you just put a little. So parang, ako, nako-conscious din ako na that's a lot of like sugar and calories and stuff like that. If I put a lot, para lang malasahan ko yung slight caramel. So, sabi ko, sige, I'll try other brands. And right now, I actually have the Terami ones downstairs. But then, they're slightly better. Like, they're slightly more flavorful than the Starbucks ones. Pero, I still end up putting a lot. So, sabi ng friend ko, Monin daw is good. So, I'm trying it. I tried this toasted marshmallow one. And then, actually I have another one. And this is gonna be another struggle and a half to open. Okay, got it. This is the toasted almond syrup. I was actually so sad because yung pinaka-favorite kong syrup sa Starbucks was the almond one. But then, apparently, pinace out siya and I wasn't even aware. So, eto, binili ko. Yun lang. Ito try ko na yung... Well, syempre, nilisi ko mo siya. But yes, ito try ko na yung pre-coffee thing yung Majigo dun sa baba. Because I didn't have coffee yet today. So, BRB!
Raindrop, drop top, hot top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Grab me a river, give you a fish. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a oozing. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a oozing. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe.